Right here is the main on and off right here. Turn the power to it on right there. And it does come with a remote. So if and you can see it cycles through time, distance, and calories and speed. Top speed is going to be about 3.8 miles per hour. So if you're looking for a walking pad, this is definitely something to consider. Turn this on. It does a countdown. And right here is the speed control right here. Plus to go faster. And if we want to cycle through the M for the modes, given our time, distance, and how many calories. There you go. All right. See how many calories you're burning, and now it's back down to speed. Go ahead and turn it up. So 3.8 miles per hour is the maximum. All right, so I click to pause. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on. All right, so hitting the this button right here again to get it going again from the pause. 3, 2, 1 countdown. Plus button to speed it up. All right, I'm at 2 miles an hour right now. A little more than 4 inches in height here. No railings, so you have to be aware of that. But you can definitely walk on this and get your steps in, you know, with your smartwatch. And you don't have to worry about being outside when it's unbearably hot. I'm going to go ahead and turn it up a little bit. I'm at 2.8. So I got a good stride going here. And if I want to pause, it goes all the way down like that. So if you pause it, it's not going to stop immediately. It's going to slow down, you know, gradually, quickly, but gradually, in order for you to be able to stop without stopping from going from a fast speed and coming to a dead stop. So the YAGUD walking pad here, these are extremely popular lately. This is what to expect. Not really probably what you would want for jogging. If you were looking for jogging, you'd probably want more of a full size, you know, regular treadmill. But for just walking and getting your steps in, the YAGUD is going to be what we have, and we're excited about it.